Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to add multiple accounts in your Google. Make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Google app, here I go. At the top right corner, you can see your profile icon, tap on that. Now tap on that arrow showing downwards. Here you can see different options now. You have to tap on the option add another account. Now tap on continue. Here you have to enter your email or phone number that you want to add. After you are done, tap on next. Now you have to enter your password. After you are done, tap on next. Here you have to choose which account you want to be active on. Here I will be tapping on the account that I have just added now. Tap on done. Wait for a few seconds, it is in the process. You can see that I have easily added another account in my Google. In this way, you can add multiple accounts in your Google. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.